Right now, traditional commercial real estate lending is tightening, and federal surveys indicate these standards will remain strict through 2025 and 2026. This pullback leaves massive funding gaps in the capital stack for both new construction and major renovations. If you're a property owner facing these gaps, you're left with a choice: halt your projects or find alternative capital. Usually that means turning to the default fallback, traditional mezzanine debt or preferred equity. But that route carries significant risk. Mezzanine debt often comes with high, volatile interest rates and almost always requires a personal guarantee from the sponsor. Property owners often find themselves choosing between stalled growth and taking on debt that dilutes their equity. This is where C-PACE financing serves as a lower-cost, fixed-rate alternative to mezzanine debt. C-PACE stands for Commercial Property Assessed Clean Energy. It's a public-private partnership enabled by specific state and local laws to fund building improvements. It applies to a wide range of commercial property types, including multifamily buildings with 5 or more units, office spaces, hotels, and retail centers. You can even use it to finance upgrades for standalone parking structures and lots. In this video, we'll break down exactly how C-PACE works, the structural trade-offs involved, and the specific hurdles you'll need to clear to get approved. While it funds energy and water measures, C-PACE functions as a strategic financial instrument for stabilizing a property's capital stack. C-PACE is repaid through a voluntary special assessment on your tax bill. This allows fully amortized, fixed-rate terms up to 30 years. The trade-off: the C-PACE lien takes a senior position, sitting ahead of the primary mortgage. This senior position means you are legally required to get explicit written consent from your existing mortgage lender before you can finalize the financing. Managing this specific negotiation is the primary requirement for accessing these favorable terms. If you can secure that consent, you gain access to non-recourse financing. Unlike mezzanine debt, which can demand a personal guarantee and assign ownership, a C-PACE loan is secured by the property itself. This allows you to fill out your capital stack while keeping full control of the project and preserving your existing equity. There is also the transferability factor. The debt obligation stays with the land rather than the individual borrower. Upon a sale, the buyer must agree to assume the remaining tax assessment, or the seller must pay off the balance using the sale proceeds. While this structure protects personal wealth, it requires you to align the financing with your long-term property holding strategy. C-PACE covers 100% of the hard and soft costs for energy efficiency, water conservation, and renewable energy upgrades. Depending on your state, it also covers resiliency projects, like seismic retrofitting or hurricane proofing. You can fully fund these measures up front with zero out-of-pocket capital. In many markets, you can even use C-PACE to retroactively refinance capital on projects completed recently, providing immediate liquidity. Because the utility savings often outweigh the yearly tax assessment, you can increase your net operating income and generate positive cash flow from day one. However, there is administrative friction. To qualify, you must hire third-party engineering firms for mandatory energy and water audits. These audits must definitively prove the lifespan and efficiency of your upgrades to local government administrators. Success depends on trading the high cost of traditional mezzanine capital for the bureaucratic process of the C-PACE program. That process takes time. A typical C-PACE transaction requires 60 to 120 days to close. It starts with initial underwriting, where lenders review your pro formas, budgets, and market studies to size the financing amount. Then comes final underwriting, involving deep diligence and sign-off from the local government program administrator. You'll need a coordinated deal team to manage the engineering audits and senior lender consent simultaneously to stay on schedule. Because of this timeline, C-PACE works best when integrated early into the project lifecycle, rather than as quick bridge capital. We can use this quadrant chart to evaluate which owners benefit most, mapping investment time horizons against capital needs. Ground-up developers seeking to replace expensive mezzanine debt find this to be an ideal scenario. It's also effective for owners in cities like New York, who must fund retrofits to comply with mandatory emission standards like Local Law 97. Long-term hold investors can use it to significantly increase their property value and income without spending upfront cash. Conversely, it is a poor fit for fix and flip investors with very short horizons, as the transferability requirements could complicate a quick sale. Your planned investment time horizon determines whether C-PACE is a useful capital solution or a structural mismatch for your project. CPACE availability is dictated strictly at the state and municipal level. As this math illustrates, the program is currently active in over 35 states and Washington, D.C. However, keep in mind that exact program guidelines and eligible improvements vary significantly depending on your specific local jurisdiction. If your project is in an active market, your first step is initiating a conversation with your senior lender regarding PACE consent. Proactive management of the PACE structure provides a distinct, low-cost competitive advantage that outweighs the initial administrative effort.